Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Samad Khan from sociallypro.com, and today I'm going to show you how to comment as your Facebook stickers in your Facebook application. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do, as always, I'm suggesting you guys to update your Facebook application to its latest version. As you can see, I'm using the latest Facebook app right now. That way you won't face any troubles while doing so. Once you do that, simply go ahead and open up your Facebook application, and to comment as your avatar stickers in your Facebook application, you will need to first hit that comment option at the middle, and then as you can see in our right menu, there is our avatar stickers icon. So tap on this icon, and as you can see guys, these are all the stickers, your avatar stickers you have created in your Facebook application. Actually, you can create your avatar first if you didn't, and then you can start using those stickers and sharing in your WhatsApp application chats, share in your Messenger app, and comment as your avatar stickers in the app as well. So as you can see, I'll choose these stickers and hit that send button, and there we go. This way you can share your Facebook avatar stickers in your Facebook comments. However, create a fresh and new stickers or avatar, just go to the menu and hit that avatars option. If you don't see it here, then you need to tap that see more option, and definitely you will find it in this menu. However, I'll choose this avatars option, loading your avatar, and there you go. This way you can create your first avatar in your Facebook application by hitting that pencil icon at the top. Start adding elements the way you like, make your avatar the way you look, and hit that done option at the top right. That's it. You can now see some cool visuals with these stickers, your avatar stickers, by hitting that stickers option. And these are all the stickers in your Facebook application with your avatar. As you can see right now, there are some cool effects and visuals as you can see right now. Keep updating your Facebook application to enjoy new stickers and new visuals with them. This way you can create your avatar and use it in your Facebook comments and other places. To see how you can share these avatars in your WhatsApp or Messenger application, check the iCard above. So this is exactly how you can comment as your avatar in your Facebook application. For more to the point videos and tutorials like this, you can subscribe to this channel and visit my blog sociallypro.com for more information. Thanks for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.